Welcome to Pixelvestors. If you're ready to learn, remember to like and subscribe. Welcome back, Pixelvestors. You now understand the basics of money, but earning one emerald at a time is slow. It's time to think bigger.
It's time to start your very first business.
A business? What should we sell?
A good business solves a problem or fills a need. And everyone loves a good cookie. A cookie stand it is! Let's go get the supplies! Hold on. Before you make anything, you must understand the first rule of business.
Your supplies are never free. They always have a cost. This is the cost of supplies. Think of it this way. The time and effort you spent gathering those supplies could have been spent earning one emerald. That means your cost is one emerald.
I get it. We need to track our expenses. Wait, we're not ready yet. How much do we sell them for?
An excellent question, Ruby. The second rule of business is that your price must be higher than your cost.
If our cost is 1 emerald for all the cookies, we should sell them for a total of 2 emeralds. That way, we make 1 emerald extra.
Excellent. With a product and a price, it's time to build your shop.
Excellent work. The stand is ready. You have a product and a price. Now for the exciting part, the customers.
Sold out. An amazing first day of business.
An outstanding day's work. Now comes the most important part of any business, counting the results. All the money you collected from sales is called your revenue.
You have your revenue, but are you forgetting something? Remember your costs. So, you made 16 emeralds, but you spent 1. The money you have left over after paying your costs is the most exciting number in business. It's called profit. You had an idea, figured out your costs, set a price, and made a PR off it. That is the heart of business. Congratulations, Pixelvestors. This profit is your reward. Now for the next big question. What do you do with it?
We could reinvest it.
upgrade our equipment.
Or we could save it to start an even bigger business.
Both excellent ideas. Profit gives you options to reinvest and improve your business or to save for new opportunities.
But I think Ruby's idea is the perfect next step.
To make even more profit, you need to be more efficient.
Next time on Pixelvestors,
Failures.
we scale up with automation.